is Katarzyna Molek-Kozakowska. I'm a professor of linguistics and communication and the head of the English department at Opole University. And I've been running this project. Well, there are many ways in which we collaborate. I mean, within the FORTHEM Alliance, we collaborate in the lab, Multilingualism in School and Higher Education. And in that lab, we, of course, exchange academic expertise and good practices. But our local collaboration is actually with schools. We reached out to Opole public secondary schools through the Department of Education. And we recruited 6 schools in the previous cycle and 3 schools in the current cycle. We recruited classes with humanistic, social, European profiles, and we trained students to reach out to those classes and to organize pupils' mini projects, citizen science mini projects. So there are 4 groups of stakeholders: academics, students, pupils, and teachers. Co-creation is done again at various points in the project. So we co-create with the Department of Education on how to reach out to schools. What are the best methods to recruit schools? And then our students co-create with teachers the ways through which the workshops and the projects are realized. And of course, pupils co-create in groups, in teams with the students on the methodologies and the ways of collecting data on specific topics that they themselves identify with the help of students. And then we also co-create with different groups, I mean, including students, the training materials and the reports and the model itself. Yes, the model itself is a work done across stakeholders and, of course, internationally. My understanding is that through those little mini projects that pupils develop, that are going to be in humanities and social sciences, I will also be able to track as an academic, as a researcher, yes, which are interesting topics and phenomena that are worth studying, expanding. So I treat them as pilot projects, inspirations. I get a lot from being in the project as a manager, as someone who coordinates the work of other academics and students, who's responsible for recruitment and reporting and all additional things. I find it interesting to develop new training materials, and of course also traveling to other universities abroad to learn more how they co-create and how they do citizen science.